Yo, Wagwan man, you tuned into Click Reacting. We're just gonna get right into it today, man. Popcaan dropped a song featuring Drake called "We Can Done." I can't believe I almost tried to say that in regular English. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and comment down below. Let me know what you think about the song, man. I'll see you later.
Trouble?
Trouble for the feet. You know we go. 876 God.
There's no way it was Drake that said "trouble for feet" just there.
6 God.
Yo.
Try if you rush me off.
Oh, this was for his birthday. This was for Drake's birthday or something like that. They turned into a music video. That's crazy.
Try if you brush me off, I see. Bad man like calling me from unruly girl. Why be?
I forgot that the beat is fire.
Respect we and shot a be.
Yo, I don't know about anybody else, but for me, I hate when Drake does this twang and shit that he does. When Tory Lanez does it, it's kind of fire. I don't know how Tory Lanez and Drake are both from Canada, and Tory Lanez can do it, but I guess it's his parents. He has more Caribbean affiliated parents, so I guess that's why. But this shit is so cringe. But let me hear the song. I know the song. Let me see the video, I should say, because the song is good still. I can't lie. It's a good summer song. Although we're in fucking winter right now.
We done, pussy, we can done. We can done. We can done. We can done.
My boy Drizzy practiced that one line over and over, so it sounded legit. Cause that the "we can done" that sounds legit.
We can done. We can done.
Oh shit, that's Lil Yachty. Low boat.
We can done. We can done.
KD, yeah, this was his birthday show. That's crazy.
We can done.
Crazy video still.
Me can done, boy, we dead, me don't leave my gun. Chop a load up a place like my new stadium. Tell her give me head in at the big phantom. Them know me at the god like one of Jesus' son. Yeah, short but me heavy. Chain on me neck, can buy a couple Chevy. Jiggle up your
Yeah, okay. So this is a banger for sure. I forgot. I listened to it just in the car and passing, but this shit is a banger. The visuals are tough for this.
If me baby, no say your love when me come in at your belly. Yeah. Bad man, she like champion and can't lie. Give you something, make you ride it like a motorbike. Me are the original, me are the prototype.
What kind of style is that to wear your jumper? I've never seen that before. These niggas are different.
Them think we done with us, I kick it in a overdrive.
What the fuck am I saying? Who the fuck wears jumpers still? That shit is crazy.
Only can done. Anyway, we pull up is a pandemonium. Millions are discussing on the forum. This is 6 God and have to run up and down. Trouble foot feet.
The color grading on this shit is clean as fuck too.
Try if you brush me off. Try if you brush me off, I see. Bad man likes calling me from unruly girl. Why be? Disrespect we and shot a be.
Yo, the bubbles is so funny, bro.
We can done. We can done. We can done. We cannot done. We can done. We cannot done. We cannot done. We can done. We cannot done. We cannot done. We can done. We can.
Yo, where Popcaan get this a madman hairstyle from? I mean, he always have a maddest hairstyle, him like a crackhead look. I don't know where you get them from, yo.
Everywhere the girl in love in every state, every country. Cute pretty girl want make a movie. She a tell me she bad and she unruly. Man just a star, get rich IVD and just a laugh.
It's either the color grading is just too clean on this, but wherever the fuck this is, this shit looks clean as fuck, bro. I would want to be there.
Legendary, full Burberry, have a pretty ass Kelly, anything kick off. Remember man I got not the earth, some fuck, some hurt angel. Me great granny from every self go and raise hell. Man I fight to the end from them ring that bell. And as I make it in a life, them say I soul yourself. Amount of pain me feel, some of my flow can tell. Bolivar friends switch up, me still wish them well. Bolivar record.
Yo, did that girl just try to comb the man's corner?
Break Bolivar show get shell. From you say we name a great it spell.
Like,
Try if you rush me off. Try
hold on,
if you brush me
Drake, they're
off,
rapping at
I
this.
see. Bad man likes calling me from unruly girl. Why be?
I could swear that Drake rapped in this. Don't disappoint me, man.
They try to say we done, pussy, we can done.
I didn't rap at the start. Like, yo, I'm lost in the song right now.
We can done. We can done. We cannot done. We can done. We cannot done. We cannot done. We can done. We can.
Oh, this is a sick pick. Shit's tough still. Definitely tough. Guys, let me know what you think of the song or the video, man. Don't forget to hit that like, comment down below, hit that sub. I'll see you guys later.